it's Gracie with WTI. You know when your arms get so tired from holding your phone or tablet for way too long? Well, now I just found the perfect solution. It's this tablet pillow stand from Elitehood, and I'm telling you, it is way more helpful and useful than I thought it would be. So because of these adjustable clamps, we've been able to attach all our phones and tablets from 6 to 13 inches on this thing. First off, I love how soft and squishy this cushion is. It just molds to my legs, making it so comfortable to keep this on my lap for hours. And because of how easily it just molds to any surface that you set it on, we've actually been using it in all sorts of different places. We've even taken it outside to watch movies while we're in the hot tub, or taking it on long road trips in the car. Or hey, even if you just want to have a lazy day in bed, this thing will be the perfect companion. And not only is the base stable, but this soft faux leather surface is textured, so I've been really impressed at how good it does at keeping things from shifting around on here. The arm is made out of aluminum, so I was really impressed with how strong this is, but yet still easy to maneuver. And I love that it has full range of motion. I can turn the direction of my tablet any way that I want it to. This thing is super convenient. We've been really happy with the thorough design and how well that it functions, and that's our point of view.